Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom. Today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you around this lovely transit van. Finished in magnetic grey, which is one of the best colours for these vehicles, very desirable. 2022 on a 72 plate. Looking at it, it's a very nice van. So looking down the passenger side, or the driver's side I should say, no signs of any dents, no dings. Steel wheels are in nice order, shod in nice tyres. Condition wise, you can tell, very nice. Then we've got the Rhino roof rack on this one as well as the Rhino ladder at the back. Twin loading doors. Slip resistance floors. We've got plastic lining down all the sides. So as you can tell, they're all absolutely ace. This van has never seen a hard day's work. Looking down then the passenger side, again bodywork absolutely ace. Side entry. And then jumping inside, we've got 3 seats, comfortable seating for 3. Driver's chair with armrest. We'll jump in. Oh, so this vehicle has only covered 22,896 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. We've got a multifunction steering wheel with all your volume media controls. Lights are found just down there. We've got both keys. Automatic, Bluetooth phone, DAB radio, climate control, USB down there, and then some booklets as well. Inside, not been smoked in, doesn't smell of any pets. There's no paint or plaster on the seats. All the floor mats are absolutely ace. So if you'd like anything further, give us a call, send us an email. Phone number is 01942 231123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.